Does your pet get anxious during storms, car rides, or grooming? Meet Zen Friend Zen Drops, a simple way to help support calmness and relaxation. Perfect for travel, vet visits, fireworks, and everyday stress.
Yum!
Supports calm behavior without leaving your pet feeling overly sleepy. Made with key ingredients: broad spectrum hemp extract, MCT oil.
Oh!
Also supports mobility, joint comfort, and overall wellness.
I demand some more. Pulls and thanks.
Zonk thanks to Zen Friend Zen Drops.
Sleepy corgi butts.